Hey, Dave. Haven't I ever told you the story? My third great-grandpa, Charles G. Biv. Well, Dave, it goes way back to the roaring 1800s. When my Grandpa Charles, he'd go out every morning and he would salute the dairy cattle, that is. There was one morning, Dave, Ems Biv, his wife. Well, she reminded him, before you go out and get things all accomplished, you need to go fix the toilet in the outhouse. In the roaring 1800s, Dave. Before he'd go do anything, like always, he'd tilt his hat, wouldn't say a single thing until he got past the threshold of his house and said, "Dear, I love you." And then he'd go off and get it all done. Well, he went out to the outhouse, Dave, and to his amazement, he found the outhouse all filled with complete nastiness. The toilet wouldn't flush. He needed something. He's like, if I only had something that would create enough suck. That's what they used to call it. In the roaring 1800s, Dave. He went out to his shop and was like, I need some kind of rubber thing, and put a hole in the middle of it. And then he put some kind of handle in the middle, and then we've got what is called the plumber. So, Dave, let me tell you, does a plumber get everything done? It does. Don't you ever forget. You might as well salute the old plumber. Why? Because, Dave, if there's a leaky faucet in your house, you just need the plumber. When you've got a hole in the pipe, what do you use, Dave? The plumber. It gets it done every single time. Every single moment there is, it gets it done. The world's finest tool. It's cheap, it's affordable, and guess what, Dave? Get the project done right, Dave, with this awesome tool. Every single time. You don't need to call 1-800-PLUMBER-MAN. You call the Plunger Man. I mean, one call, the plunger is all.
Hey, Dave, don't worry. I see the problem. Okay, Dave. Oh no, Dave, I think I hear something. It's coming from in there. Look at that, Dave. It's a mess. But it's still bubbling. I think what I'll do, Dave, is I'm going to keep plunging and I'm going to see what happens next. Okay.
What are you doing, Charles? You cannot use a plunger for everything.
Oh, yeah. I am so sorry. I really thought I could help solve the issue.